Hi, and welcome to Getting Started with Modern Python by Pact Publishing. I'm your author, Joran Beasley. I'm a professional software developer. I've been working with Python as my primary language in a professional capacity for the last 8 years, developing systems for monitoring large-scale agricultural and food production facilities. I create apps for mobile, web, and desktop. I've also been a technical reviewer on several Pact Publishing books. Welcome to the course overview. In this course, you'll gain an introductory level of understanding of many of the awesome features that Python 3 has built in right into the language. We'll get you going all the way from installing a brand new development environment, all the way up to writing your own classes and modules. In Section 1, we'll learn about setting up our Python environment, including setting up our IDE, installing Python, and learning how to install new packages into our Python environment, even though everything we do in this course will only be using built-in features of the language. In Section 2, we'll be introducing strings in Python and how to manipulate them. That is, how to parse them and how to print them. We'll also be learning about working with dates and files. In Section 3, we'll learn all about list comprehensions, which are one of Python's strongest features. In Section 4, we'll learn about the toolset that allows for infinite lists and datasets in Python, itertools and generators. In Section 5, we'll work on tying everything together as we learn about collecting our code into reusable blocks, whether those are functions, classes, or packages. This course is designed to gently introduce you to the Python language. There are not really very many requirements. You are going to need to have a computer, probably one with an internet connection. You'll do best if you genuinely want to learn Python and are also willing to put in a little bit of extra work on the side to help understand some of the concepts that we'll introduce in this course. You will need some patience. Learning a new skill is hard, and it takes work. This course covers a lot of information, and we do it in a fairly fast pace. At the end of the course, however, you should feel confident writing simple Python programs. But there's still a significant journey ahead in learning all the ins and outs of Python. Trust me, all the pain is totally worth it. Python's an amazing language that can really do pretty much anything, especially when you can extend it with other packages. This course is designed for anybody who wants to learn Python, ideally existing programmers looking for a new language, beginner Python programmers looking to advance their skill. It's really not for intermediate or advanced level Python programmers. You'll probably not get a whole lot out of this course. People who are in alternate disciplines, you might not be a programmer by trade, and you're interested in learning a little bit of Python to help you with your day-to-day work. Hobbyists looking for something cool and new to try, and really anyone who is interested in learning Python and is willing to really invest the time and effort that it takes should do just fine with this course. By the end of this course, you should be comfortable writing and running your own simple Python programs. You should have some good practical knowledge that can be used in everyday tasks. And most importantly, you should have a solid foundation with which to hone your Python skills. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.